Yan, Sophia. Uy, nandito pala kayo ngayon, no? I have a challenge for you, no? Meron tayong a cup of wine here. Dapat yung coin, mapalabas mo siya. Pero, same image, no? Cup of wine, pwede mabaliktad or any angle. Basta, mapalabas mo yung coin outside, no? Pero, you only have 2 moves to get the answer, no?
Okay.
2 moves only. So, kaya ba?
Yes. Tito, bet mo naman yung money mo, pero...
Ay, dapat may prize na. Sige, I will give you 100 to get the answer, okay?
Tito, pero double mo kasi mahirap naman pero to.
Madali lang yan. Sige. I will add another 100. 200 ang price mo. Galingan mo, ha? Dapat tama yan, ha? 2 moves only. 1.
Oh, no!
Parang nadaya ko, ah. Ang galing, ah. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you very much!